So occlusal analysis requires about 90 minutes of your time. So during that appointment, it is an appointment where we evaluate the whole system. So we look at the teeth, we look at the supporting components of the teeth, the bone. We also evaluate periodontal health, which is gums. We evaluate the whole facial aesthetics and the structure of the face and where everything is positioned in 3 dimensions. That component also a component of a full evaluation of all the muscles that have to do with function of the system. There is a joint component, there's also an airway component, and that appointment is about 90 minutes. Then we gather all the information, as well as we go through history and some things that can contribute to an airway or some pain due to trauma and things like that within the joint, for example. So after 90 minutes of your time, which does not involve any dental procedures other than measurements and things that have to do with that, there is about 3 to 4 hours of my time that's involved in putting it all together. So it's taking everything that's in the mouth, outside the mouth, and be able to mimic exactly what happens in the mouth, outside the mouth, for the purposes of studying that system and analyzing and figuring out what is that's within that system that's not working, that's contributing to signs and symptoms that we observe. So that evaluation also involves me contacting all the specialists that might be involved, that may be necessary to create the proper treatment plan and also analyze everything as comprehensively as possible. So that saves you time, energy, and money, because you don't have to go to all the specialists. I will go there for you. Another component of the occlusal analysis is meeting with myself and our treatment coordinator for about an hour to review all the findings. So I put everything together, I put it in a nice keynote presentation so it's easy to understand, and then we review everything together, and then what we propose is actually ideal treatment plan that involves the whole system evaluation and creates long-term success for whatever you may choose to do.